first group is Crazy Client, and I will give the stage and to the group of Duarte, Fahed, Sandu, Ali, and Andre as well.
Yes. How's the new software working?
Oh, it's going good, but I don't really get the point of rating clients, boss.
I actually bought it because I was losing a lot of revenue because the people booking and they didn't show up.
Oh, yeah, makes sense. Yes, hello, this is Galeto. How can I help you today?
Hello, my name is Antonio Silva. I'd like to reserve a seat for dinner tomorrow.
Mr. Silva, may I have your phone number, please?
Certainly. That'll be the 930
Uh-huh.
511
511
600.
600.
Yep.
For tonight, at what time would you like?
Sorry, I misspelled my phone number. It's actually ending
Oh.
on 300.
Okay.
So it's 930
930
511 300.
300.
Yep.
Oh, just a second, please. Boss, we got a client here. His CCR, his rating is below our risk level. Should I accept him for tomorrow night?
Yeah, accept him because we don't have a lot of reservation for him
Hello?
tomorrow.
Yes, I'm sorry, but yeah, you're lucky. It seems like we do have
Lucky?
a table tomorrow night. At what time would you like?
8 p.m., please.
8 p.m. Okay. And just for you, sir, or
My wife will join me. So I'm planning to propose, so please make sure to have a bouquet of flowers there.
oh, okay, nice, very nice. Okay, you're confirmed. Thank you very much.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Can I see the booking for tonight?
Bookings for tonight. Yeah, sure. My bookings. So for tonight, yeah, we already have a lot of bookings. It's looking really filled in.
Oh, wait. I know this name. He's one of my friend,
Who?
Pedro Elias.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he's coming to our restaurant tonight. Go to
Yeah, he's coming at 8 to the
uh,
yeah.
go to his details.
Client details?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he has a lot of revenues.
Yeah, it looks like he was very late at our restaurant sometimes, boss.
Yeah, he has a lot of reviews in other restaurant. Oh, he was in our friend restaurant, Sabadores de Portugal.
This one?
Yeah, go to the reviews to check what's happened there.
Let's see. Let's see what he did. Oh. Looks like your friend is kind of a party animal.
He drinking a lot.
Yeah.
Fortunately, he didn't do that in our restaurant.
Well, anyways. Yes, this is Galeto. How can I help you today?
Hiya, my name is John Smith. I'm here for vacation. I'd like to reserve a seat for dinner tonight.
May I have your phone number, Mr. Smith, please?
Certainly. That'll be the +44
Uh-huh.
930
930
971
971
007.
007.
007.
It seems like you're new here in Portugal, Mr. Smith. Is that right?
I'm on vacation, so yeah.
Okay, yeah, that checks out. So for today, at what time would you like?
9:30 p.m. would be perfect.
9:30. And for how many people? Just you, sir, or?
Yes, it's just me and a bottle of wine, please.
Okay, I will try to arrange that.
And make
for
sure
you.
I'm sitting on the terrace.
Okay.
Thank you.
A lot of stuff, but I'll try to arrange that for you, sir.
Lovely. See you later.
You're confirmed. Bye. See you
Bye-bye.
tonight.
Did you did the reviews for last night?
Oh no, sorry, boss. I will do them now. So pending reviews, right?
Yeah, do it please because we have two clients. One didn't show up, and the another one he was late for 30 minutes about.
Yeah. I remember. It was that guy Nelson Rebelo. The guy was he did not show up. Yeah, and he did not even call. Uh, and then there was this other client, right? The Luis Marx guy. I remember the staff was complaining because he was, I think he was very disrespectful. He showed up late 45 minutes and he was very rude to our staff. Yeah. Actually, let's see if the score on this guy Luis Marx decreased.
If this application working.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
remember when I booked him, he had like a 3.5 and now it decreased.
Yeah, then it's working very well. Now he's a bad client. I will not accept his booking next time.
Yeah, we want. I think this actually makes sense. Very good purchase, boss. Well, anyways, I gotta open up the restaurant.
Yeah, and clean the table, please.
Awesome. Okay, guys. Just for some context, for those of you who don't know us or don't know what these guys did, and also this will also be true for the next web development projects, which will come in a second. Essentially, what they did is a full functioning web app, and I know it may sound simple or it may look simple in the structure, but there is a lot of work that goes under the hood, mainly on backend and also front end. So everything is connected. So huge congrats. And essentially, for the rest of the presentations, we're gonna switch between data and web continuously. So for the next projects, I'm gonna bring out Rui, the DS and DA batch manager.
Hello, everyone. So I'm Rui Pinto. I'm the batch manager for data science and data analytics. And yeah, what can I say? I'm really proud of all the batches, right? Of all the projects. We'll have some interesting projects, and this first one, yeah, you'll see. So for now, I want to call, right, my ladies from data science, right? Ariana, right? Solane, and Huberto's in spirit, don't forget, okay? And Clara to present the next project, okay? So the stage is yours. I don't want to spoil the surprise.
Hi, everyone. We are going to present our final project for the Data Science and AI Bootcamp. My name is Clara.
I'm Solène, and this is Ariana. So many of you in this room will experience at some point in your life, if not now, a nail disorder or nail disease. And nail disease can actually be a bit discomforting since it's a quite visible body part, but it can also be a symptom of a more severe health condition, which is why we've decided to develop a tool that enables people to have a first analysis on their nail condition from home. Just before we get into the demo, a quick overview of what our tool does. So you just have to upload a picture online, a picture of your feet or of your hand, and our tool will automatically detect the nail on the picture. If you put several fingers on the picture, for instance, there's a cropping feature that allows you to adjust the nail detection. And from that, our model will output a prediction on your health, nail health condition. And thanks to an additional feature, you will be able to ask a few questions about this condition to have further information. As a quick disclaimer, we are not doctors, so of course this is just for educational purposes and it should not replace any medical advice.
So our approach for this project was to build an image recognition model based on deep learning. It's called a convolutional neural network. And we used as a base a model called VGG16. It is originally trained on vegetables, but we retrained it using our data, then images of nails. So we pre-process the images so we can have high quality data to feed our model. And we trained the model to detect seven different diseases as well as healthy nails. And we also have an additional feature, which is the transformer called Roberta. It is a natural language processor, and it will give you answers based on the data that we feed it and the question that you made. So now let's take a look at our project. It's very easy to use. You just click Start, and you can upload a file. As Solène said before, it detects where the nail is, and you can just adjust it if you like. And then you can just press Scan. While it's processing, the image goes to our model, and it goes through some patterns so it can make a prediction on this image. Sometimes it takes a little bit. So this is a picture of my nail, and I am relieved to know that the model predicted that my nail is healthy. And now Ariana is interested in knowing how can she keep her nails healthy. So she typed there, how can I take care of my nails? And we will get an answer from our transformer, which is a based on generative AI. And the response is for this question is to regular clean and moisturize the nails. Let's try a new one. So you just click on new prediction, and you can upload another picture. Again, the cropping part. So for this particular image, our model predicted Boseline, which is correct. You can clearly see there's some deformity in the nail, and Ariana was interested in knowing what causes this type of condition, and our AI response was either severe stress, major surgeries, or exposure to toxic substances. So our model is able to predict 7 different diseases. If we had more time and more data, we could be able to expand it and make it predict other diseases and have more accuracy in the prediction. But you guys can test this out with the QR code. And thank you very much for listening.
Okay, so now we are back to web development after a little stroll through some data science. So next up to the stage, I'd like to bring the Wisdom Capsule group, and that is Ariana, Henrique, Ozoma, Philin, and João. So come to the stage.
Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Elena, and I'm pregnant, and I'm worried about something. I'm worried about passing away before my baby is old enough for me to be able to pass on wisdom, memories, anything I want to tell him about. So, for that reason, I created an account on Wisdom Capsule where myself and all my family members can create memory boxes and put pictures, videos, advices, stories, anything they want to safely store in a digital way. So, where am I here? So here are example of memories I can store in my memory box. Where can I create a time capsule? Let's see. Oh, I see a button here. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna call it baby because I haven't chosen a name for my baby yet. I'm in the time capsule now. I'm gonna create my memory box and call it mom. Perfect. I'm gonna go into that memory box and start creating memories. So, what do I want to start with? Maybe I want to tell him about education. So, I want to show him a picture of my graduation day. So, the title would be Graduation Day. As a text and advice, I would like to tell him study hard and believe in your dreams. Important message. And then I'm gonna choose a picture. Let me see what I have. Graduation picture. I think that seems like a nice pick. Yes. A date. It happened on July 2018, the 2nd of July. A few years ago. Time flies when you have fun. Okay, so oh, here is my memory. Wait, let me see. Can I see it bigger? What if I click on? Oh, nice. The full picture. Very good. Okay. Now I'm going to go back. I also want to tell my kid that he should travel and see the world. So I'm going to create another memory and show him a video of my last trip to Corsica. Perfect. I'm going to put a title like Trip to Corsica so he knows what it is. And as advice, I'm going to say travel to open your mind. Okay, and then again, very important advice, guys. And then I'm gonna choose a media. Let me see a video. Yeah, travel video sounds pretty good. Okay, perfect. I'm creating the memory. So let me see if that video is working. Okay. Oh, I remember that scene was so clear and so fresh. It was awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna create another memory of my favorite books. So the title would be my favorite books. The book number one would be Le Monde d'hier de Stéphane Zweig. Then it's a saga of 7 books by Lucinda Riley called Seven Sisters. That is very fun. And the last book that is a bit scary is Mr. Mercedes by Stephen King. Okay, so I'm gonna upload that. And the last thing I'm gonna upload for now is an audio telling him how much I love him. So I'm gonna create another memory, call it I love you. Oh, je t'aime in French. And the advice would be listen to when feeling low. So you never forget. Okay. And I'm gonna choose a file. Nouvel enregistrement 34. Sounds pretty good. And create the memory. So now let me see. What if I only want to see the picture? What happens if I click on the camera? Oh, it sorts by the picture. And there's also a video, a mic, an envelope with all the text, I'm guessing. Yeah. What is that little world icon? Oh, it shows me back all my memories. What if I want to search one specific memory? What if I type Corsica in that little bar there? Ooh, it sorts only by the name. Okay, perfect. Because when I'll have 1,000 memories in that memory box, this will be very useful. Okay, so now I'd like to go to my profile to see all the memory boxes I've created and the time capsules. Profile. Oops. Yes, of course it is. Just to distract you a little bit, show you a nice view. Yep. Okay, so now the profile. And oh, I remember last year I created a time capsule for Feline for her 18th birthday, where I put a memory box of her last trip to Mykonos. It was great time, and I'm very happy to see all these memories back again.
Hello, hello. Really fun. So next group is from data analytics with a hot topic, right? Salaries, AI. So this is gonna be interesting. So I want to call Rafaela, right? João, where are you? Okay, everyone. Okay. Join us. Salome, Mariana. The stage is yours. Okay.
So, welcome everybody. This will be our presentation. And we are from data analysis, as Rui mentioned it. And we will be talking about salaries in AI, machine learning, and big data. So, we are Le Bruit, a small consulting company. We were contacted by Glasswindow, a community for workplace conversations, support, advices, basically to make the most out of the work life. And they are starting to grow into the IT market. And they wanted us to find a strategy to better help the employees from this IT market to find job opportunities. Alongside this, they also want to become a more reliable source of information through the use of more solid data. So they gave us their data set, and we cleaned it, structured it, and choose the best variables to analyze regarding the salaries. The best variables are the experience level, that is divided by junior, intermediate, senior, and executive. The employment type, which is full-time and part-time. The work model, which is on-site, and it's remote, and it's hybrid. And for the last one, the company size, which is divided by 3 in small, medium, and large companies. This was from the US. All of the data is from the US and from the last 4 years. So since to 2020 till 2024. And here we see the first scorecard, where we see the values of the metrics I already talked to you about. So we choose to use the median measure instead of the average ones. Is more accurate when you use a data set who has outliers and our as, okay? So for the last 4 years in this time range, the median salary was about 126K. And as you can see, the experience level was the executive, the work model, the on-site, and employment type, the full-time. We put some buttons over here so you can play with data and see for yourself the changes you want to check. And as you can see, it's all changing regarding the choices. When we see the trend, it's growing up. So yay for us that work in the IT market. And don't mind this slight decrease, because it's probably due to the lack of information once we are in the middle of the year and it still lacks a semester. We decided to use graphs for you to better understand how we analyze the data. And here you can see by experience level, one of the variables we chose. The executive level is the one that earns the highest salaries. Regarding the company size, it doesn't matter if it's large, medium, or small, because the executive one is also the one that gains the most. In the employment type, we have the full-time, and that's probably why most of the people adopt this type of employment. And regarding the work model, we obviously expect to be on site, and it really was until 2024, where the hybrid model just got a boost and surpassed all the others. Yeah, and then we decided to play smart and see what were the highest and the lowest earner jobs. Of course, our is in the lowest. And so, as you can see, the highest are the head of data, machine learning, AI architect, applied scientist, and software engineer. And the lowest, master data specialist, data developer, data analyst, and data manager. So we were so depressed to see that we were in the bottom that we decided to dig a little deeper and try to find some reason to uplift our spirits. And guess what? Yeah, we went home crying because we are always in the bottom. So for you to know, all data fields usually are in the lowest, and machine learning roles are in the highest.
So since we have two fields that are related here in our batches, we decided to bring them to some fight. Data analytics versus data science. Well, here you can see the high salaries related to the past year to the present year. So data scientists on site and full time are the ones who earn higher salaries. But if you want to see the evaluation through the time, you can check on the buttons above, as you saw in the overall analysis. And here are the final results where we can see the winner. Data scientist is always the one who consistently has earning the high salaries since 2020 to 2024, although data analysts are the ones who actually has keeping the variation more consistent through the time in the matter of salaries. Even if our client didn't ask us, we decided to get ahead and do some additional analysis about the AI impact in our all IT roles, right? It's a new thing and it can impact every one of us. And this chart shows that actually work roles that have minimal AI impact or substantial AI impact are the roles who actually earn the most, while the job roles that are still transitioning to adopt AI are the ones who earn less, right? Yes. So returning to our main goal, which solution our company came up to? An app where you, job seeker, can find your answers. And I will give a little guide very quick through our demo. Clara, can you help us? Yes? You as a junior data scientist, you dream to work in a small, medium, or large size company? Large company, okay. Yeah. Remote, on-site, or hybrid? Okie dokie, is the trend, right? Fine. Full-time or part-time? Okay, so let's predict.
Drums.
You could earn around 119 gross salary in your next job. Congratulations. I wish the best for you.
Good choice. And now we challenge all of you to try our app through our QR code, which she will put.
She will display in a minute.
Yeah, exactly. And try it for yourself. And we are Le Bruit. I'm Solmel Lobo.
I'm Mariana Guimarães, Rafael Alves, and Johnny Dashboard.
Thank you.
Hello. Okay, we are back. So after a little change in data analytics, we're going to go back to web development, and we have the vibes group with Luke, Jonas, Feline, and audio. Take it away.
I'll just nod at you to start. Okay, ready to go?
We good?
Take it away.
Oh man, whew. Finally over 9 weeks of this. Listening to Miguel talk about JavaScript, I'm tired, bro. What's up?
Man, you said it. I'm done with coding. I want to go to a bar and get drunk.
Yeah, but where, bro? We don't know anything in here. We are tourists in Lisbon. We don't know any places.
That's true. We could use Google reviews or Time Out magazine or something.
Bro, I'm not scrolling down to those reviews. Like, I just want to find a good spot and get drunk. Is that too hard to ask?
Yeah, man, it seems like it.
Yeah.
But wait, hang on. I just found this really cool looking app called Vibes. It says find bars that suit your vibe. That sounds kind of perfect, right?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Okay, so I'm gonna make an account quickly. Okay. I've made an account, so let's go. Let's find your vibe.
Let's go.
Okay, so it's taken us to a map page. That's cool. Before we get cracking, I just want to check my profile and make sure I set it up all correctly. Cool. I really like my icon. It represents me perfectly. Disco Stew, my favorite Simpsons character. And my vibes are cocktails. Love a bit of those. DJ music for sure. Outside areas. It's summertime, of course. Speakeasies. I love sort of secretive spots. You know, those are my favorite. But actually, I think cocktails is not really. I don't really have the money for that right now.
Yeah, you're kind of broke.
I haven't had a job for 3
Yeah.
months, bro. Yeah, you said it. You said it. So I'm going to remove cocktails.
Yeah, you still owe me $5.
Yeah. Okay. Afterwards. And then I'm going to add something instead. And I think I'm going to add seating because I'm tired and I want to make sure wherever I go has seats. So I'll add seating to my account, which is sort of down there. Yeah, nice one. Cool. So let's go back to the main map and see what we have on offer. So I'll just move around, see what bars we have in Lisbon. Okay, cool. We got some over here in Alvalade, loads down in the center, of course. There's quite a lot of choice. So should we just hit the random button?
Let's hit the random button. I don't know
Okay,
what my mood
cool.
is.
Templarios. It's open, closes at 11. That's good. It's got DJ music, which I have, so it's nice that it's highlighted it for me there. Let's go on Vibers. Okay, no one else has liked it, which is, you know, a bit of a red flag, but let's see. We can go on the mini map and see where this place is. And okay, let's go back to the main map page because this one is taking way too long to load. And then let's hit the random button again. And okay, let's go to the mini map on this one and see where Shisha Bar is. And taking too long. So let's try one more time and then we'll move on from this. So let's go back to the main map page and hit random one more time. And mini map on V rooftop. Okay, cool. So if we zoom out, we can see Príncipe Real. Okay, it's not quite close enough.
Nah.
Yeah, I
don't
agree.
want to walk that far.
But I do want to add this to my favorites because it looks cool. I love rooftop bars. So I'm going to add this to my favorites. And I'm just going to check that that favorite has been added to my account. So let's see. Faves, V rooftop. It's in there, saved. So next Friday, you and me. What are you saying? Okay.
For sure, bro.
Cool. Okay, let's go back to the map because I saw some filters on there which should help our choice. So we've got boogie, intimate, pub, sports, and there's trendy there as well. So let's hit up trendy. Let's see.
Well, I'm feeling kind of boogie. What's up?
I want to try
Yeah.
trendy first. I want to try trendy first. So let's just,
dance, bro.
let's
What's
hit, yeah.
up?
Okay, I hear you. Let's just see what we got. Okay, so we'll scroll around in here. Like, what do we have? There's one right next door. Some down there. Okay, actually no. Let's go back to where we are because I want to make sure it's local. Cool. And Trendy? No, I think I agree with your first shout.
Yeah,
Boogie.
boogie.
It's Friday night. We want to dance. It's been 9 weeks. So let's hit the boogie filter. See what we get. Okay, cool. So there's one just there, but that's too close, right? We don't want to go like right next to the campus.
Yeah, Francisco.
We don't want to see Francisco.
Yeah, we don't want to see
man.
Francisco there. Yeah.
So there's one just below. There you go. Let's click that one. My House Alvalade. So it's got the trendy vibes with the cocktail. So that fits both. It's got the DJ music, which is on my profile. That's my vibe. That's cool. Let's check Vibers to see who else is on there. And okay, let's see Jonas's account. Oh, and Hayfley.
Oh, Jonas is a cool guy. So if he likes
Jonas
it,
is a cool guy.
Yeah.
Jonas is a cool guy. And we like the same stuff.
Yeah.
So Jonas likes DJ music as well.
Mhm.
He's liked this bar. So I'm pretty sure we've got enough information, right? We're pretty much good to go. So let's go to Jonas's faves. See what else he's liked. But let's go back to My House Alvalade. And cool. So you reckon we're good to go?
Let's go, bro.
So let's hit the button. Take me there.
Yeah.
Wicked. Okay.
Hey,
let's
man,
vibe.
Let's vibe, bro. Woo!
Thank you to Jonas as well, who's just down there. Did very, very good work.
So, next group, it's an interesting one from data science. What can I say? They are out there. They are going to explain why they are out there. So this is going to be fun. So Miguel, come to the stage. Amorim, Araújo, where are you? Araújo, come to the stage. Araújo, Amorim, sorry. We don't have Ramsey, but he's here in spirit, right? So Gustavo and Antonio, come. The stage is yours.
So, hello everybody. My name is Antonio, and I'm here to present our data science project, UFO Predictor. Micah, drop the. Yeah, thank you. First of all, I need to ask you a question. Do you think we are alone in the universe? Good. So data science is all about answering questions, and that's a really big question, and it's really the motivation for our project, and not the fact that I want to be kidnapped by aliens. Okay, so I just want to make it clear. So I truly believe we are being visited by people from outer space, from the unknown, and I truly believe they are among us. But the thing is, like, we don't really know where to find them. It's very random where they appear, and we never know where they are until now, because we built a little model where we can predict not only the location where the UFO will be appearing, but also the look of the UFO and the amount of time it will appear. So we will know what we'll see and for how long and where. Mike. Our data source came from the National UFO Reporting Center. Sorry. So if you ever saw a UFO, go there and put all the info there. We have more than 80,000 entries of data all around the world. more than 90% of the data comes from the US. That's why we kind of true. That's why we kind of gather all that information and just work with the US because that's where the data is. As you can see, all the sightings were reported during the 21st, the 20th century, but it's here since 1995. All the sightings are like escalating, and why? Because people got access to internet. The internet, the people have social media and mobile phones with cameras, and that's why that's more testimonies about it. Next. Our data also allow us to pinpoint some shapes about the UFOs. We have different shapes here, but the most common one is the light. People saw light. They might see also Jesus or God. I don't know. Also here, if you can notice, the sightings are more at night time. It's easier to see like a bright light or something we don't know, a UFO at night because it's glowing. I don't know what it is. And also probably at night people are drunk or drugged after parties, so it kind of explains the thing. All of this is possible through the magic of math and using machine learning models. We use a few of them to predict the location, to predict the shape of the UFO, the duration, and then through generative AI models, we can provide some picture and create some pictures about the UFO and also the alien itself. To bring our models to you, we built this cute little app so you can use and have fun with it. So basically, you just need to input some dates, choose the date. When do I want to see a UFO? And then we will return the place. So let's make a little demo here. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Suck up. Interactive dashboard. So, Camila, give me a date here, please. What year do you want to see a UFO? Give me an year. Good. Month. October. Day? 10. It's a holiday in Portugal, I think. No, it's 5. No? I don't know. Give me a time. When do you want to see it? At night, when you're drunk and drugged? Yeah. At daytime? Brave. At nighttime? Smart girl. So let's see, where do you want to go? Remember, it's in the United States, so that's what I have. Oh my God, you have to go to Missouri. Fun. Lakelit country, I don't know where it is. But be fast, people, you only see it for less than 5 seconds. So we need to pay a lot of attention. We have some data here of all the sightings that happened in the past somewhere around this thing here. And be very attention, because this is what you'll see. This is what you need to see. 5 seconds, okay? 5 seconds. And then if you are really, really lucky, and if you can interact with an alien, okay, then probably you cannot take a selfie with the alien because your mobile will be jammed with all the alien technologies. But we built this little form for you so you can describe the alien, okay? So it didn't happen, so you cannot know what the alien, so we kind of make up for you, if you don't mind, okay? So, and then you will get, just get wild, Miguel, yes. Like that big alien, yes, ugly. And probably this is the and it's generating technology and things. So friendly. Oh my God, so cute. So this is your best friend for next 2026. Is this one? So then you can keep this image, show it to your friends, put it on Instagram, and everything. So, but if you're not lucky, darling, and if you don't see an alien or a UFO, don't be sad because you can go again to the app. Go again to the app and try a new date, and try again and look for it. Okay, go for it. Okay. If you want to check our app, like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I want to thank all my team, all the teachers and staff from the Wagon. Thank you for giving you the knowledge to do all this amazing crap. Thank you.
Okay, so we come to the last web development project, last but not least, and we have, so we have Blissful Blooms joining us next. So that is Bernardo, India, Manel, and Marco. Take it away.
Hey, buddy, what's going on? You look so sad.
Yeah, man, I've been feeling down lately, so empty. I wish there was something that could get me out of this funk. But then I look at you and you look so good, man. Like, what's going on with you? What's your story?
You know, I was feeling just like you a few months ago until I started to appreciate the small things in life.
I don't know if the small things in life would actually help me in my case.
Of course they would. You just need to take a step back. And you know what really helped me was to start taking care of those moments.
What do you mean by taking care of those moments?
You know, why don't you get up and let me show you? So here, I found this app called Blissful Blooms that lets me plant a seed that can represent either a person or a moment that I'm grateful for. So here I'm on the landing page and I can see my recent locations. And do you actually notice that I have a little friend over here?
You mean the little cat over there? It looks like he's kind of showing you the way and kind of guiding you through the journey.
Yeah, so he's been here since day one, helping me throughout this app. And as you can see, he's telling me, welcome Berbers, which is my username. You have plans to take care of at Sintra, Jerez, and Cascais. So would you like me to actually show you how it works?
Yeah, let's go. Show me.
So let's say Sintra, because it's one of the locations that I need to take care of my plants. We hit go.
Okay, but wait. You told me about planting seeds, and all I see right now in this new page is like new images of plants, statuses, and levels. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, of course. So as I told you before, you plant a seed that represents either someone or something that you are grateful for. So in order to grow the plant, you need to take care of it. You need to practice your gratitude. So it starts as a small seed, and the more you practice your gratitude towards that plant, she starts to grow and will flower into a beautiful flower.
Okay, and yeah, this Marta plant, she needs caring. Can you do something about that?
Yeah, of course. So I didn't take care of Marta for some time, so maybe it's time. So let me water Marta, actually.
Water, and there's probably trim over there. And what's the third option that you can do?
Is to change the soil.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's smart.
So in order for me to actually save this action of water Marta, I actually need to log why I feel grateful for her. So I'm going to say that I'm really grateful that Marta has been by my side throughout my darkest times.
Well done, Marta. All right, cool. It's safe.
Yeah, and now remember how she said it was she needed caring, but now it will say that She is healthy.
All right, I can see that. And now that you logged something, it made me wonder, can you actually check the previous logs? Because obviously I've been taking care of your plans for a while.
Yeah, of course. And before that, remember, look, the cat is still helping me by telling me which plans I need to take care of. But let's check Marta. Look, it's saying that last time I took care of her was today. So let's check the logs. Here I have a little preview of Marta. And here I have all the logs that I did when I took care of her and why I felt grateful for them. But you know what? Instead of me of just showing all of this, why don't you actually create an account and try it for yourself?
All right, that sounds good. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm obviously in my empty screen, and okay, yeah, the cat tells me that I obviously need to create a location. So let's go to the location tab right there. And obviously there's a create button over here, so let's hit that. And you know what, man, we met in Oeiras. So let's log this moment. Okay, let's create this location called Oeiras. I'm gonna check like a nice little picture of Oeiras with a lot of my personal pictures over here, so don't look at that. And let's hit create. Okay, there you go. And I am, yeah, in the, yeah, okay. I'm kind of confused because it's kind of empty, but oh yeah, the cat is helping me. So I should create my first plant. Meow. So let's go. Since you have been so nice to me today, I'm going to create a plant with your name. So let's go. And you are obviously a person. If it was like my own moment, it would be the other icon. But let's say that Bernardo showed me an app that can probably change my life to the future. All right. Create. All right, there you go. Look at you, little baby, all healthy and all level 0. Okay. It looks like this app is really cool, and I'm definitely going to download it as soon as I can. But what about us? What should we do today?
You know, why don't we go out and actually practice some gratitude together?
Let's go.
Thank you, everyone. I would like to also thank my team, India and Mark, Manel, obviously, and also the teachers and staff at Wagon that helped us throughout these 9 weeks. And we are Blissful Blooms. Thank you a lot.
Last but not least, I want to call to the stage Spice Girls and Leonard for our next projects in data analytics. So come to the stage. Yeah. Salome, Salome. Spice Girls and Leonard.
Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. We're super excited to share our project findings with you. My name is Mathilde. This is Costanza. She's Beatrice, and he's Leonard. So our analysis is focused on one specific coffee shop in Paris, and we would love it if you guys could pretend to be the owners. By the end of this presentation, you'll be able to optimize operations, improve your customer service, and maximize revenue. So let's get into it. We were hired by Tiller. Tiller is a company that provides a set of solutions to help restaurant owners better manage their businesses. Right now, they're lacking an analytical tool that their customers can use to have actionable insights on a day-to-day basis. So that's where we come in. So, is it me? Sorry. Okay. We receive data on. Okay. Okay. Everything's good. Don't worry. We're good. I can do it without the microphone. bad luck. It's okay. So we received data on 21 restaurants. Yeah, mic. No mic, no mic. Oh, we need a mic. So, as I was saying, we received data on 21 restaurants around Paris, and after looking through all of this data, we decided on two main goals. First, we wanted to create a dashboard that any restaurant owner could use to get actionable insights on a day-to-day basis. And also, we decided to do an analysis on your coffee shop to give you some insights and recommendations. So how did we do this? We started by collecting our data. We cleaned and pre-processed it. We defined what KPIs we wanted in our dashboard. A KPI is a key performance indicator, and companies use them to measure success. We started on the exploratory data analysis. We built a dashboard, and that's how we got to the insights and recommendations that we're about to show you. Costanza, would you like to tell them how their business is doing?
Yes, sure. So our first dashboard will help you to optimize your revenue. So as you can see here, the average revenue per order is 12.5 euro. The average revenue per customer is 8.3 euro. We can see on both metrics that they actually decreased compared to last year, 2018. We can also see here on this graph, which actually compare the revenue of 2019 and 2018, that the revenue are way above last year, and also that there is a clear seasonal trend during the first quarter and the last quarter, but also a drop during summer and during December. We also figured out that most of your revenue is coming from coffee, but on the other hand, the three least profitable products are Heineken's and sparkling apple juice. So here are our recommendation for you. So first of all, we will recommend you to enhance marketing effort during summer with special deals. So for example, iced coffee. After, we will recommend to conduct further analysis to understand why actually the revenue during December dropped. And we will, so for example, competition analysis, or to understand better the economic factors. We will also recommend to highlight the top selling products. So for example, to put them on the top of your menu, or to consider upselling options such as vegetable milk. And finally, we will advise you to boost your bottom selling product, but not at the expense of your top selling products. And if it's still not profitable, dropping them.
Relating to customer insights, at the top we have 3 scorecards that show you the average number of customers that your coffee shop receives for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also wanted to show you what your peak visit times. In your case, it's from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And how do your customers visit? Usually they do it alone or in pairs. So based on these insights, we have some recommendations. We would advise you to manage peak visit times by reviewing and adjusting your staff levels, specifically from 1 to 5 p.m. And why not implement some off-peak promotions to keep the guests coming even in the lowest hours? We would also recommend you, so you can improve customer experience, to arrange the seatings to accommodate small groups efficiently. So as we saw, people usually visit your coffee shop in groups of 2 or alone. And so why not create some high top tables, bar stools to accommodate people and make them feel comfortable? Another idea would be to create some menu discounts specifically tailored for these small groups.
So our last dashboard will help you to manage operational efficiency by tracking waiters' performance and table utilization. But first, we will have a look to the table efficiency. So your coffee shop has 51 table, and we decided to calculate the turnover, the table turnover rate, which actually measure how many times a table is used by customer. As we can see, the dinner has the highest turnover rate, which means that the customer prefer to sit during this time of the day. So actually to assess waiters' performance, we decided to focus on 3 main KPIs. average revenue generated, the average customers served, and the average spend per customer per guest. We decided to rank them by average revenue generated, and by using our dashboard, you will be able to see your best and least performing waiters. But here, because you only have two waiters, makes sense that you can see them appearing on both charts. So here are our recommendation about table efficiency. What we will recommend, it will be to, since dinner has the highest table turnover, we will recommend you to ensure sufficient staff and resources to meet the demand. As well as for breakfast, most of the customers are taking coffees to take away. So we would advise you to promote a breakfast menu to encourage them to actually sit during breakfast. About waiters efficiency, so you will be able to use this dashboard, and it will give us the opportunity to see the top performing waiters, so being able to reward excellence, but also to provide support to those waiters that that need more help. But also you will be able to schedule the top performance during peak time.
So I'm sorry, it's misleading. We still have some things to say. But thank you for the applause. So thank you so much for your attention. Hopefully by now you have a better overview of how you can improve your operations, how you can make your customers feel more satisfied, and how you can maximize your revenue. So right now we would like to show you the interactive dashboard that we made. We have three main pages, so revenue optimization, customer insights, and operational efficiency. Customer insights and operational efficiency. Exactly. We have filters at the top that you can play around with. You have filters for date, for the restaurant, if you have more than one restaurant you're in charge of, for the order type, and also for the meal time. We have a fourth page, so for menu optimization, that can be used if the restaurant gives us data on stock levels. Yeah, but we would advise you to use our dashboard, keep tracking these important KPIs, and you'll be able to make the most of your business. And thank you so much for your attention.